Hey guys, everyone. Welcome back to Mgosina Pile. Nyabonga kakhulu you guys for coming. Thank you so much for tuning in to this particular video. Okay, so nyabonga kakhulu guys. Ungakhohlwa ukuthi like usubscribe ubuye share a video and then bese uyavumela ke ama ads adlala ngicela ungaskip imntaka. Thank you so much for not skipping those ads. Okay. So guys, kunodabala nebedlo kungisaluzibile kancane bengafuna ukukhuluma ngalo bekuyibona yonke le drama but azange ngithanda ukuthi ngiye kuleyo video ngiyacabanga ngithi ngizoyenza ngigcine ngingayenzanga sometimes you guys sometimes busy and then bese ugcina uyachoice ukuthi okay ngizoyenza le video ngizoyenza le okunye bese ugcina uyakuyeka kuyadlula into ekanjalo guys. So kune story esitrende kakhulu ka-TikTok usaze sabuya ke even on other social media platforms you guys. The story between the two content creators u-Onezwa Mbola no Nara Smith. Okay, so the drama there is about content creation ukuthi u-Onezwa Mbola uye wakhala ngokuthi uNara Smith untshontsha cooking ideas wakhe. So u-Onezwa Mbola she's a South African girl uhlala lana ngasemzansi. I think uhlala emaplazini into ekanjalo. And then uNara Smith angazi bathi she's half South African half American, something like that. I do not know you guys. Ushuthi mhlambe ubaba wakhe umuntu wangale Persia and then umama wakhe actually she's South African but wasekhulela khona ngale. I don't know if it's America or another country that side, but I think I heard she's living in America. Okay, now she is also kind of like have that South African thing. So mobabili ke manje Onezwa Mbola uthi ke uyanaka ukuthi njalo nje mayephekile ama recipe wakhe loya uNara Smith uyawakopa and then bese kuba ukuthi umehluko lana uOnezwa Mbola she's just a South African village girl umuntu ehlalela kuma endaweni esemaplazini, and then uNara Smith she's just that content creator in America. Okay, onendlenhle ufancy yonke into yakhe ifancy ugqoka fancy ushado umlungu yabona lokho kushada umlungu ngiyakubona ke okay akunandaba lokho kodwa ke ukuthi she is a big content creator mkhulu even ne following yakhe une following kudlula uOnezwa and umuntu ophila le yampilo vele fancy ephezulu yabelungu into ekanjalo nje guys. So una yonke into angafuna ukuyenza nje ayichange ibe the way yena afuna ngakhona. Well as well umnikazi we-content here onguye umnikazi wama-ideas. Okay, uOnezwa akana yonke into afisayo, akana ma-utensils afana nawaka Nara Smith, akana ndlu efensi nje akanara Smith, akana khishi elifensi nje la Nara Smith. Ziningi izinto athi kodwa i-content yakhe is just those videos she cooks you guys, she does uyapheka and then you know what ngwamina nje bengingamazi you guys, and then I had to run to her page mangisibona istory ngifice yo le ntombazana ine talent iyapheka ithi ngikutshela uyapheka and futhi usmart into ekanjani nethi ukuthi nje vele guys uNkulunkulu akasiphanga ngokufana yena ke isandla sifishane loya una yonke into ungakuthi uOnezwa umephekile loya akana ama-ideas afana naka-Onezwa uthi uyakopa allegedly ebese kopa ukuthi Onezwa wenze kanjani irecipe thizeni bese yena ngoba una yonke into ngala she can just change that particular idea ayenze yonke into ibe fancy into kanje. Do you understand you guys ukuthi like big content creators bantshontshela ama-small content creators? So loya ngoba una yonke into une following una everything uma senza ivideo lese mhlambe asikhulume nje asithi is a chicken curry right, yenziwe intombazana nje ehlala emaplazini emafarm into kanjalo akana yonke into but she's very good in making a chicken curry right. Ngiyenza umzekelo nje bese loya ngoba una everything nebhodwe elihlene stuff esifancy ese touch leso touch screen wena mhlambe upheka ngomlilo lwana une touch screen, mhlambe wena ugamula ngesaha lwana une very beautiful and fancy knife, mhlambe wena uphekela ngase angazi guys endlini yotshani lwana unani una the very beautiful kitchen into ikanjani. Ngisenza umzekelo so ukuthi manje masingabeka these two content creators abantu they will run to that very fancy and with a huge following and everything. Into eyenzeka kuOnezwa you guys loyana usuke amshaya ngokuthi yena umenze idea loyana uyayithatha ayenze even more special, even more better, even more but it is the same thing. So uOnezwa ukhala ngokuthi lo uyamtshontshela ama-content ama-ideas wakhe right bese ke yena ngale uyenza lese mhlambe lo uzothola 20 views, just making an example. Loya ngoba because of everything and the fanciness and the everything ebenethola 20 million views lo athola 20 into ekanjani ngoba loya mkhulu kodwa loya u-inspirishwe ngulo omncane uyambona ukuthi pheka kanjani into eso ebese yayikopisha ke yena ebese yayenza ukuthi ibe something big because she is in America mtakaba with everything she can use, yet lo wangakithi ngapha and then uyalekha ezinye izinto, but she's good and she's the owner of the angazinayo inspiration ngabanye abantu. But ke okubuhlungu ukuthi engayenza ivideo namhlanje kusasa lo uyenza the same thing, abone kusasa sekayenzile enze lento kusasa loyana enze the same thing, but that one is the big content creator yena, she's a small content creator, but uyabona ukuthi kuntshontshwa ama-ideas wami lana. So this is the problem that we have, you guys, between u-Onezwa no-Nara Smith. So ngayibona yonke leyo drama, you guys, kune-video enzoyilahlela kancane lapha eka-Onezwa ekhuluma ngalokho, you guys. Ike manje into esingibhora like ngishilo ukuthi bengingafuni ukuthi ngithi ngizoyenza le ndaba yaka two content creators fighting for ama-ideas, right, ama-cooking ideas. Bengithi angizukuyenza, but sengibona manje ukuthi istory ngathi siya-escalate manje. Ngoba manje sengibona kuthiwa ke uNara Smith usesuwisha u-Onezwa Mbola uthi maka retract whatever what she said about her stealing ama-ideas wakhe, otherwise she's gonna deal with her legally. Still bisiyanginyanyisa ngoba ngiyabona ukuthi yazini usefuna ukusebenzisa lento yokuthi this is a farm girl ongenakho okuningi ngana, even uTikTok ngapha eAfrica kasikhokheli, ukaza uTikTok akakhokheli ama-content creators ngama-views, kodwa ngale ngapheshiya they earn money ngama-views. So manje uma ngabe sethi yena ufuna ukuthatha a legal action against u-Onezwa Mbola, wazi kahle ukuthi u-Onezwa Mbola kanayo le mali, you guys, sefuna ukumsuwisha, sekafuna ukumthreatenisha manje ukuthi akaxolise for what she said, yet kodwa yena into ayishoyo iyabona. For me guys, iyabonakala into ayishoyo. I know ukuthi nami nginje I was inspired by other people to start to be a content creator, you guys. Ngaqala my YouTube channel, I was inspired by other people, but I didn't copy what they were doing. We don't have to copy what someone is doing. So u-Onezwa nami ubekhala ngokuthi lawyer uyakopisha ama-recipe wakhe, shuthi uyabheka ukuthi because she is inspired by u-Onezwa, right? Ucommentile kwamanye ama-videos kudaladala uma abantu sebethi hayi wena Nara Smith uyacopying u-Onezwa Mbola. uNara Smith wathi angimazi le ntombazana, I didn't know her and what abantu bayodonsa i-comment yakhe eyakudala acommentile kuma-videos aka-Onezwa Mbola athi I'm inspired, right? Uyangi-inspirisha. So ke ubesishona umetha kamazi because uyawakhomenta kudala athi uyam-inspirisha, which means wabona khona ama-ideas. Lo angapheka namhlanje yena usepheka kusasa athole futhi yena more views and athole imali. Lo uTikTok akamkhokheli. Yabona ukuthi buhlungu leyo ndaba. Manje usemthreatenisha ukuthi I'm gonna take legal action against you. Sekamforce manje ukuthi akaxolisele for iqiniso, you guys. Hayi kodwa you guys know, I know kunabantu abathi bona no, you guys, u-Onezwa naye wa-inspired by abanye abantu, uke wabasharatha nini labo bantu ukuthi I'm inspired by this person, ngoba kunabantu abathi no, uNara bekumele ukuthi yena mangabe she is inspired by u-Onezwa at least mention ngapha, you know, ukuze ama-followers wakhe bezomthola u-Onezwa. Athi you guys, I saw this girl called Onezwa, I saw she was making this particular video. Please guys, go and check her. She's a South African content creator and she cooks nice recipes, you know. Please go and check her. At least give credit, you guys, to umuntu oku-inspirishile. Phake yena ubuhamba nje ayontshontsha uyolunguza lapha nabona ukuthi lo ipheke akhohle ukuthi ke wakhomenta njalo bese yalethi yena akamazi, you know. Sibe kumele nje guys, just give credit, abonge nje ukuthi no abesethatha ke leyo recipe naye ayenze. At least abanye i-following yakhe bebezohamba beyobheka u-Onezwa bamfollowishe naye, at least u-Onezwa and then get something from her. Manje yena umphikile wathi akamazi, yethi kodwa ubeke wakhomenta kudala kwamanye ama-videos wakhe wathi I'm inspired. Even you were inspired and then after that you see all the videos that she does, then uhamba uyopheka the same thing. When uyenze ibe fancy ibe nice. So yonke lento, you guys, for me sengibhora nje ukuthi athi now she's gonna take legal action ukuthi ngisemsebenzini, you guys. So I'm gonna, when I get home later, we're gonna go through this senginamathuluzi wami wonke endlini, sihambe through to exactly what happened, siye na kuma-tweets wabo, siye na everything ma-videos wabo, you guys. For now I just wanted to break this story to you. Bengafuni ukuthi ngizoyenza le ndaba ka-Onezwa no-Nara Smith, but manje singibona ukuthi uNara Smith usefuna ukuthatha legal action against u-Onezwa. For what, you guys? For ukuthi akhale phela kunzima, you guys. Aze nale party mhlambe nayibone somewhere I do not know, apheke and then lawyer ahambe yokopisha naye apheke, mase uthi hayi indoda musa phela ukopa ebesethi ngizokusuwisha because you are lying about me, you know, ruining my reputation. Hayi bafethu, manje mina ngibona nisefuna ukusebenzisa ukuthi ngoba vele uyazi she's an African girl ongekaza akhona mhlawumbe kumkhokhela, sekafuna ukuthi amphoqeke manje ukuthi axolisele into kodwa eyiqinise ebonakalayo mhlambe ya you know, kodwa kusala izikhona into azintshontshile, zikhona into azintshontshayo laphana, and she doesn't give credit to Onezo. Why manje unga give credit to yo guys, I saw this recipe where please go and check this person. I'll lose a little. You're gonna have some of your followers just going to follow Onezo. It's not like bazobaleka kuwe. They will just go and also follow that particular content creator. Naye akwazi ukuthola following, akwazi ukuthola abantu. At least you gave credit. Bese uyaziphekela ke nawe leyo recipe. Try it. Bese you add whatever you are adding, you know, something like that, you guys. We didn't have to get this far. So Ushon Maisetina, she's taking legal action against Onezo. You guys, I know good imbonizo hlukana vele kukhona abantu no Onezo naye she was inspired by someone. Why manje azokhala lo munye intshontshile yena wayibona ephi leyo recipe mhlawumbe uyazicabangela. I do not know, you guys. I didn't know both the girls. Now I had to go and follow them bobabili ngibona ukuthi kanti kuyi drama le kuthiwa kuyaliwa lana ukuthi akunenkinga uOnezo ukhala ngokuthi nangu intombazana eyomlungu thizeni lana iya ntshontsha ama. Is she? And I think she's color, something like that. I do not know, you guys, because her mother is South African and I do not know. Whatever. But again, you guys, for me, feeling as I coffee, especially when she wants to take legal action, she knows this one is gonna struggle to pay her, even if she wins the case. So she wants to use that against Onezo. Okay, no, I'm sorry. I didn't mean what I meant. You guys know. For me, because why Nara? Why do you want to be like this? Why do you want to be like this? Illegal action yokuthini, you know? But anyways, you guys, I just wanted to go to talk about this thing. I'm gonna throw a clip yaga. It's either in the beginning or at the end, so that you can see who the girls. I'm gonna throw them on my screen. And then later on, we're gonna come back with yet another video. So a lot about you guys. But anyways, thank you so much for watching this one. Like it, subscribe, share, and then see you next video. Bye.
For months now, I have watched a very, very popular content creator use my ideas. And again, I'm not the first person to do anything. They have continuously used my ideas to get views. Now, that would be fine, except in South Africa, we don't get paid for views. And where she is, they get paid for views. So she has been making money off stealing my content. Always managed to change the videos just enough so that I cannot say that they are my ideas. And when I took a break from content creation recently, she then went and moved on to my YouTube and started using ideas from my YouTube. So I have kept quiet for months at a time, just venting to my boyfriend and to my friends, and they've all told me, just let it go, because you are going to be dragged by her mob of followers and you will get cancelled. And so I've kept quiet. And recently I made a boba tea. We all saw it, we all loved it, and I was so very, 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 very proud of that video. I tweeted about it. I was so excited for it. And then a day later, she made a boba video. And you might say it may be a coincidence. That would be fine if it was a coincidence, except it's a coincidence that happens very often. So is it really a coincidence? I am very disheartened. I am very disheartened because she's making thousands of dollars in views, and I am lucky to get a brand collaboration